on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family? Now today we're going to make the most amazing smash burger. So the first thing you want to do is get you 8 ounces of ground beef and divide it into 2. And this is 80-20 ground beef. So we got 2 4-ounce patties. All right, once you get those patties ready, set at room temperature, go ahead and get your bun toasted up. And we're using a brioche bun here. And we're just going to dry toast it. You don't need to add any fat to this because this smash burger is going to be fat enough. Like I said, you're using 80-20 ground beef. So yeah, so on that same dry pan, go on with your 4-ounce patties and leave it in a ball and just put it on the pan. And we got this pan on high heat, and gonna just let it go. Season it. I season it with some some garlic salt. But once you let that burger go for about 2 minutes on that side, go ahead and smash it. And I'm just smashing this thing to no existence. Like the uglier the smash, the better the burger, because what you're doing is creating texture. And maybe this is not the traditional way to do a smash burger, but as I've been doing my smash burger studies, I just found out that when I smash the burger to almost till it's very thin, that is the best smash burger. Like, look at that. And once we flip it, you're gonna see so much texture, and it's still gonna be good and juicy, but you're gonna see so much texture, and you're gonna taste so much texture with this burger. So it's just beautiful, and almost kind of resembles what is the name of that? When they smash the burger up, chopped cheese. That's what it resembles. But anything that kind of broke up, when you place this cheese on there, and this is a smash burger American, so we're going to use American cheese. When you place that cheese on there, that cheese is going to act as a glue and kind of adhere and hold whatever little bit just broke away. So nothing is going to fall apart because we're placing this cheese on there to hold it in place, kind of like a glue. But yeah, once you get that burger flipped, go ahead and immediately go ahead and cheese that. And then we're gonna go ahead and stack this burger. So this burger is gonna cook very quickly. Like I said, it's a 4-ounce patty an 8-ounce patty broken into 2. So 2 4-ounce patties. So when you smash them, it just cooks very fast. So we're gonna go ahead and set our buns on top of that and just let the buns steam the rest of the way. We already got a dry toast on those buns, but just letting it steam and soak up some of those burger juices. And I did place mayo on my burger buns, and I did pickles and tomato, but you can leave those off. But there you have it, man. The most amazing smash burger. Like I said, it almost reminds you of like a chopped cheese, the way it kind of broke up, but then you got that cheese in place that's acting as a glue. But then look at all that texture and that crispiness that you're getting from this smash burger. I think the smash burger is the only way to eat a burger, and I might be, my culinary folks might get me for this, but the only cheese I believe that go on a burger is American. And I guess that's just the American in me, man, that just says like a burger should be simple but very good and tasty, and there's no other cheese that melts like American. And I don't even really like American cheese outside of a burger, but this is the best way to eat a burger. And the smash burger is the best way a burger should be prepared. But yeah, that's me on my soapbox. The best smash burger that you ever see. And I ain't gonna say in life, but I'm gonna say the best smash burger you ever see on the bistro, because I got an old smash burger recipe, but this one killed that one. But this is the best smash burger you will ever see on the bistro. One thing, guys, check this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The best smash burger in the world from the bistro. Yeah, look at this, man. Oh my goodness. Hit that subscribe button, by the way. Yeah, I catch y'all on the flip side, man. I'm out.